Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here today. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a perfect pout, because we're about to dive into a topic that's near and dear to my heart. Today, we're diving into my favorite topic, something I'm truly passionate about and could honestly talk about for hours. Lipstick. Oh, lipstick. The magical wand of the makeup world. It's the ultimate confidence booster. That one swipe of color that can instantly elevate your mood and your entire look. It can totally transform your look, taking you from everyday chic to red carpet ready in a matter of seconds. It's truly amazing. If you've ever struggled with uneven lips, felt like you couldn't quite master that perfect Cupid's bow, or just wished your lipstick would stay put all day, or felt unsure about bold colors, maybe thinking you can't pull off that daring red or vibrant fuchsia, this video is for you. I promise, by the end, you'll feel empowered to rock any shade and any technique. I'm sharing my top pro tips, the secrets I've learned over years of working as a makeup artist, and hacks, the little tricks that make a huge difference in your lipstick game. All of this is for a flawless, long-lasting pout, the kind that turns heads and makes you feel incredible. No matter your lip shape, whether you have full, luscious lips, a delicate, thin shape, or anything in between, these tips will work for you. Grab your favorite lipstick, the one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself, and let's get started on perfecting your application. We're going to cover everything from prepping your lips to choosing the right formula. You'll leave this video feeling like a total lipstick pro, ready to conquer the world one perfect pout at a time. Let's do this! First step, exfoliation. It's the unsung hero of a perfect lipstick application. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting a masterpiece. You can't get a smooth lipstick look without a smooth base. Dry, flaky lips can ruin even the most expensive lipstick. They create an uneven surface, causing the color to look patchy and settle into lines. Use a gentle lip scrub. Look for formulas with fine granules that won't be too harsh on your delicate lip skin. Or, if you're feeling crafty, make your own with sugar. It's a simple and effective way to buff away dead skin cells. And honey. Honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the lips and leaving them feeling soft and supple. Plus, it adds a touch of sweetness to your DIY scrub. Massage it in small circles. Be gentle. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can irritate the lips. Think of it as a gentle polish, not an aggressive scrub. Wipe off with a damp cloth. Make sure to remove all traces of the scrub to prevent any grittiness. Instantly, your lips will feel softer. You'll notice a significant difference in texture, as the scrub sloughs away dead skin cells, revealing the smooth skin underneath. And look healthier. Exfoliation promotes blood circulation, giving your lips a natural, healthy flush. This step removes flakes. Say goodbye to those pesky dry patches that can make your lipstick look uneven and unattractive, and helps lipstick glide on evenly. No more tugging or skipping. Your lipstick will apply like a dream, creating a smooth, flawless finish. Exfoliate before every lipstick application, especially if you're using a matte or long-lasting formula, which can accentuate dryness, for the best results. A smooth canvas ensures that your lipstick looks its absolute best, with vibrant color and a flawless finish. Trust me, you'll notice the difference right away. Your lips will feel smoother, look plumper, and your lipstick will apply like a dream. Never skip this step. It's the foundation for a flawless pout. Think of it as the secret weapon for achieving your ultimate lip goals. Next, hydrate. Apply a nourishing lip balm after exfoliating. Let it sink in while you do the rest of your makeup. Before applying lipstick, blot off any excess balm with a tissue. This keeps lips plump and prevents cracking, especially with matte formulas. Hydrated lips means smoother, more comfortable color all day. Exfoliate, then hydrate. Your lips will thank you. Alright, let's move on to one of the most crucial steps in achieving a flawless lip look. Lip liner. Now grab your lip liner. Take a moment to appreciate the array of shades available, from subtle nudes to bold reds. The right lip liner can truly transform your entire makeup. It's the secret to a sharp, defined look. A well-defined lip line instantly elevates your makeup, providing a polished and sophisticated finish. Notice how the liner creates a crisp edge, making the lips appear more sculpted and full. Beyond definition, it also prevents feathering. Lip liner acts as a barrier, preventing your lipstick from bleeding into fine lines around your mouth. This is especially important for those with mature skin or when wearing bold, highly pigmented shades. Outline your lips with short, light strokes using a gentle hand to create a smooth and even line. Avoid pressing too hard, as this can result in a harsh or uneven application. Think of it as sketching. gradually building up the color and definition. Starting at the Cupid's bow. The Cupid's bow is the key to a symmetrical and balanced lip shape. Take your time to carefully define this area, as it sets the foundation for the rest of your lip outline. Correct any asymmetry with your lip liner. This is where the magic happens. Use the liner to subtly reshape your lips, creating the illusion of perfect symmetry. And slightly overline if you want fuller lips. Overlining is a fantastic technique for adding volume and creating a more voluptuous pout. Just be sure to keep it subtle and natural looking. Fill in your lips with the liner completely. This creates a base for your lipstick, ensuring even color distribution and preventing patchiness. For a base that boosts color. By creating a solid foundation of lip liner, you're essentially priming your lips for maximum color payoff and staying power. The lip liner acts as an anchor, gripping onto the lipstick and preventing it from fading or smudging throughout the day. Choose a liner close to your lipstick shade for a seamless and natural look. This ensures that the liner blends seamlessly with your lipstick, creating a cohesive and polished finish. Or a bit darker for extra dimension. A slightly darker liner can create a subtle ombre effect, making your lips appear fuller and more defined. Lip liner is your best friend for shape and longevity. It's the unsung hero of the makeup bag, working tirelessly to enhance your natural lip shape and keep your lipstick looking flawless all day long. Don't skip it. Trust me, your lips will thank you. Time to pick your color. The trick is knowing your undertone. Cool, warm, or neutral. Check your wrist veins. Blue means cool, green means warm, both means neutral. Cool undertones look great in blue-based reds and berries. Warm undertones shine in corals and oranges. Neutrals can wear almost anything. But remember, wear what makes you feel amazing. Confidence is key. These tips help, but don't be afraid to experiment. For a pro finish, use a lip brush. It gives you control and precision, especially with bold shades. Pick up lipstick with the brush and start at the center, blending outward. Carefully trace the edges for a crisp line. This method uses less product and creates an even, saturated color. A brush makes your lipstick look sharp and polished. If you struggle with messy application, this is a game changer. Try it and see the difference. Want your lipstick to last? Use the blot and layer trick. After your first coat, blot with a thin tissue to remove excess oils. Apply a second thin layer for richer, longer-lasting color. For extra staying power, repeat the process. This technique keeps your lipstick vibrant and transfer-resistant. No more constant touch-ups. It's the oldest trick in the book, and it works. Final step, clean up with concealer for that sharp pro look. Use a tiny brush and a bit of concealer to trace around your lips. This erases mistakes and makes your lip color pop. Blend the concealer into your skin for a seamless finish. It also helps prevent feathering throughout the day. This quick touch makes your lipstick look flawless. And that's it. My essential steps for perfect, long-lasting lipstick every time. Practice these hacks and you'll feel confident rocking any color. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Share your favorite lipstick tricks in the comments. I love learning from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.